Namaste. I am Dr. Pandagale Viraj Vijay Sushma, Assistant Professor, Department of Education, University of Mumbai. I am a participant in an online faculty induction training orientation program organized by Ramanujan College, University of Delhi. As a part of assignment 3, we were asked to submit our feedback on our experiences for the induction program so far. So my opinions are my personal opinion based on the first 2 weeks only. But before going to feedback, I would like to share a video that showcases the current education scenario. I'm not generalizing it, but it is mostly at large the same scenario at most of the places in our country.
DAN GER OUS Dungers
वाह 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 कलम वाली बाई वाह
PHYSIOLOGY प्याजू लोगे
देखा देखा उजड़े जमान हमारे देश का भविष्य
NATURE नटूरे FUTURE फुटूरे नटूरे K N O W L E D G E
G O G L E गुलू गुलू
So coming back to our presentation or my feedback, this was the brochure that came across to me, and it came across to me multiple times. And finally I thought just to look at it, glance at it and read about it. It developed my curiosity. Furthermore, reading the concept note that focuses on concept development and giving training in this COVID situation developed more curiosity among me. Also, one more is regulations that is required for the CAS or the Career Advancement Scheme, as also prescribed by AICTE. Plus, according to the new NEP, it also included modules based on 4-quadrant formula. These are the think tank as per me, and the combination of these all think tank is giving a very good output, inform us teaching us as a participant, who in turn are going to use this knowledge into their classroom situation, contributing at least one drop in this ocean of teaching and learning environment of our country for improving it. I am very much inspired by this quote: great teachers never try to be best teachers, they simply try to bring out the best in the students. We as a teacher must be a simple teacher. We must focus on inspiring our student by our act. Thank you so much. I've learned so many things online: editing, video making, OBS, online open broadcaster sources, content creation online, presenting online, an initiative of learning MOOC to create my own content so that it can be shared with anyone, any student, remote places, just with an internet connectivity. Gave me confidence. So far, the objective of this faculty induction program has been achieved according to me, and I expect the same for the remaining 2 weeks. And finally, after 1 month of induction program, definitely it is going to enhance my knowledge, my skills, and definitely it has inspired me and developed more curiosity among me to teach in a very fresh way in the new normal. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.